This was the dish my parents always ordered at the Chaan Teng when I was a kid. Today I'm making my childhood favorite, Hong Kong style baked pork chop rice. We're using egg fried rice as a base and packing the sauce with sweet onion and juicy mushrooms. I personally cut my pork chop out from the pork shoulder. I pound them slightly to tenderize and then marinate it with the ingredient list right here. When you're making fried rice, make sure you use date oat rice because it will have separate grains instead of mushy rice. I first scramble 2 eggs until it's soft and then take it out. Add the sliced onion and stir fry them until it's fragrant. Add the sliced mushroom, stir fry it a little, and then add a little seasoning including oyster sauce. My mom said whenever you cook mushroom, you have to add oyster sauce. Now I toss in the day-old rice and the egg and then stir fry them until the grain is separated. Season them with a dash of Maggi seasoning, a little salt and pepper, and then when it's cooked, we're going to take it out. Now we're going to pan fry the pork shoulder or pork chop until it's golden on both sides. The crust is everything, so make sure you don't flip it until it's ready. Once it's cooked, we're going to assemble the sauce. I use the same pan to make the sauce so it doesn't waste any flavor from the pork chop. Saute more onion, mushroom, and then we're going to pour in that base that we built. Simmer it until it's rich, and then we're going to thicken it with the cornstarch slurry. Preheat the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to assemble the pork chop rice in a baking dish. First is the fried rice, and then we're going to top it off with the pork chop and the sauce. I do like to cut my pork chop in slices so it's easier to eat later. And then add some cheese because melty golden cheese make everything better. Bake it at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, just enough for the cheese to turn golden brown. One bite and I'm back at that little corner cafe with my family. Flipping through the laminated menus, waiting for the food to arrive. This dish isn't just recipe, it's a memory on the plate. Hope it become one of yours too. If you like this Hong Kong classic, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more nostalgic eat from my kitchen to yours. Make sure you check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!